Welcome to Nanning, located in China's Guangxi province, where local authorities came up with a rather unique solution to slow down traffic. They installed these massive, permanent concrete bollards right in the middle of the road. Now, if you take a closer look at the giant one right in the center, you'll notice it's absolutely covered in heavy battle scars. It's clearly doing its job, but at what cost? You almost have to wonder if the city workers come out here at night and rotate these things like a mattress just to hide the dents after thousands of cars have smashed into them. Watching this chaos unfold is painful, but honestly, it's also strangely addictive. Navigating this bottleneck gives you a raw, unfiltered look at daily life in the area. For instance, just look at this classic piece of family transport. It's a standard electric scooter, but it's doing some serious heavy lifting. You've got 4 people, 2 adults and 2 kids, plus a massive bag of who knows what, all balanced perfectly on 2 wheels. It's an incredibly common sight across China, showing just how resourceful people have to be. But just seconds after this family passes by, the entire vibe of the street completely shifts. Enter the ultra-luxury Mercedes-Maybach. This is where the extreme income disparity of the region really hits you like a brick. In this exact same neighborhood, you have everyday locals making maybe $200 a month at most. Yet, they are sharing the same narrow, ruined pavement with someone driving a $250,000 vehicle. Watch how the Maybach driver handles the gap. He backs up, pulls forward, and backs up a 3rd time. Total gridlock. When you're driving a car that expensive in a spot like this, everyone else just stops and watches. Nobody wants to be the one to scratch that paint job, because in a place like this, hitting a Maybach could ruin your entire financial future. But it's not just the luxury cars that are suffering here. This intersection is an absolute graveyard for vehicles. A cheap electric vehicle rolls through, loses a hubcap, and completely pops its tire on the concrete. Next up, a rugged Land Cruiser Prado barely squeaks through by the skin of its teeth, scraping its sides. Then you have a Mazda trying its luck, navigating the gap like Tarzan swinging through the jungle. This has got to be one of the worst, most chaotic pieces of road design in modern urban planning. But you know what? Props to whoever decided to set up a stationary camera right here to capture this daily madness. It is the ultimate reality TV.